Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to add pronouns on Instagram. It's super easy and helps make your profile look more professional and inclusive. Please watch this video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. So viewers, first open Instagram app on your mobile. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Now select and tap on the Edit Profile button. Now tap on the Pronouns option. Now tap on Add Your Pronouns option. If you are a male, just type here he and tap on it. Now type him and tap on it. On the other hand, if you are a female, just type here she and tap on it. Now type here her and tap on it. That's it. If you are a common gender, just type here they and tap on it. Now type here them and tap on it. That's it. Now I will add pronouns for me. So I will type here he and then I will type here him. Now tap on here to add pronouns. That's it. Now I will check it. So I will refresh my Instagram account. Now I will again log in Instagram and I will go to my profile. Look, it's successfully done. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.